Inhale, hugging your legs to chest, rock side to side. Release, come to your knees. See your hips on your heels. Take your time here to walk your hands forward and bring your forehead to the mat. Child's pose. Flow feel good. Don't worry about getting a deep stretch in. We just want to wake the body up and be good for the busy day ahead. On your next in, lift the hips, come to tabletop position. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, shoulders pull away from the ears, arch the back, gaze up. Exhale, ground through your hands, round the back. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, hips come to heels. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, left hand comes to the mat, right hand reaching overhead. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, right hand to mat, left hand overhead. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, plant your left hand in back, left knee twisting at the navel. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale to the right side. Inhale, reach high up. Maybe you want to throw in a little. And exhale, heart center. Namaste.